Premium aluminum alloy. Made of solid aluminum alloy and adopting high-pressure casting, our drive clutch is sturdy and durable in use, with good wear resistance and heat dissipation. Pro Performance. Balanced heaves and heat-treated center shaft machined at optimized angles for top speed and strong takeoffs. This driven clutch efficiently propels your golf cart forward when power is applied. Secure, reliable. With stable friction and transmission, our clutch makes your gearbox and engine rotate quickly. It provides smooth engagement, easy shifting, and reduces impact on the gear and other components of the car. Direct replacement. This cart-driven clutch, complete with weights and spring, OEM replacement and direct bolt-on, is easy to operate. Vehicle fitment. This drive clutch is suitable for 10 to 14 Polaris RZR 800 primary drive clutch. Top reviews from the United States. Good alternative. I used it on my 99 Sportsman 500 EBS for 2 months. No issues so far, and fixed another problem I was having with the idle. On the old clutch, the idle had to be set so low or the clutch would start to engage while shifting. This caused a grinding noise in transmission and low oil pressure in engine, which is not great for the cam in the 99 Sportsman. Now I can raise the idle speed enough before the clutch engages to get better oil pressure to the top end of the engine at idle. Happy with it so far. Hope it can last a while 'cause I ride every weekend.